Microstrategy, the very first company to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet, revealed on Friday that they are going to raise up to $500 million through a stock sale. And many people believe that they're going to go and buy more Bitcoin. Now, this comes after Microstrategy and Michael Saylor have spent approximately $2 billion to purchase 130,000 Bitcoin or so. They've done this by doing stock sales and raising an enormous amount of debt. Now, as they've done it, their balance sheet has swelled and the stock price took off towards the moon. In recent months, as the entire tech sector got crushed, MicroStrategy stock wasn't safe either. But that doesn't change the fact that MicroStrategy has nearly 130,000 Bitcoin sitting on their balance sheet. As we saw, Michael Saylor, the founder of MicroStrategy, also decided to step down as CEO and step up as the executive chairman. His focus now is on the Bitcoin strategy. They have a new CEO stepping in, and he will run their software business. It appears that as Michael Saylor has stepped into that executive chairman role, he is not going to slow down. $500 million from a stock sale to buy more Bitcoin at a price close to $20,000 is a hell of a lot of Bitcoin. Now, what's interesting about this is that Michael Saylor has talked over and over and over again about a deep commitment to this Bitcoin strategy, regardless of if the price is high, low, or anywhere in between. That means that sometimes he'll buy Bitcoin at cheap prices, and other times he'll buy the quote-unquote Bitcoin top. But that's all okay. If you have a long-term belief in an asset and you're willing to continue to just dollar cost average into it, no different than Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger saying we look for great assets and we simply want to hold them forever. Michael Saylor is deeply committed to Bitcoin, and this most recent $500 million stock sale is going to prove that he still believes in acquiring as much Bitcoin as possible. MicroStrategy has a gigantic bet on the digital currency, and my guess is that this will go down as one of the greatest business strategy moves in the last couple of decades. Michael Saylor is trying to transform a software business into the leading company in a sector that continues to grow at an insane pace. A lot of times, you simply have to pick the right market, get ahead of the trend, and then simply be disciplined and patient. And that appears to be exactly what MicroStrategy is doing right now.
Hey you, did you like this video? Great, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.